Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you two new queens that are in our possession. Anyway, let's get started. This is the test tube that houses queen number 1. I've also added some substrate to make her feel more at home. Introducing queen number 1, a Solenopsis Geminata queen. This second test tube is housing a small colony of Solenopsis Geminata. I tried to get a good view of the colony, but they were hidden behind the substrate. When you transfer the colony into a plastic container, you'll be able to get a better view. I chose this container to house our fire ant colony. I have now transferred the colony into the plastic container. After a while, the colony settled in. Thank you all for sticking till the end, and I'll see you all in the next one.